think we had a little mishap. Looks about normal. Uh-oh. Oh, we just saw there are 2 dolphins. They'll go on that way. Holy shit! Look at the view! Alright, look, we made it. We're in South Oz. We're on the beach, but there is something that's kind of done something to me, right? Fanging it over this hill, and boom! Oh no, give me a sec. It's a flatty. Right, I'm on the softest sand possible, so it's a pain in the ass to get the jack out, but I think that's tomorrow's problem. Look, I did a 5-hour drive. I'm not worrying about this. Tomorrow's problem. Gonna enjoy the holiday and figure it all out tomorrow. But shit happens. When you don't have the right tools. Alrighty, for this flat tyre, I've had to do something dodgy. Would not recommend doing it at home. Got it jacked up here on the board so it wouldn't sink. Let's see how this goes. Ugh. Alrighty, finally figured out the problem, and it's not repairable, at least on the beach anyway. We did a rim. Bam! So, replaced it, chuffed the spare on, and we're good to go again. Woo!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Alrighty, here we are, right? Got a little fire happening. Clean it up, bit of sand on it, but we're going to cook some wraps tonight, and pretty cool. Beach fire. I don't think I've ever, one other time, I've never cooked on the beach, so it should be pretty cool. What a view behind there, eh? Alright, for the wraps, pretty simple, because when we're coming over the border we didn't know what we could or could not take, so went for the simple. We got the beef stir fry. We'll probably just add a bit of cheese, a bit of onion, and a bit of taco mix. We'll see how it goes, eh? First time. Alrighty, so what we had to do with the taco mix, mix it in a bit of water, give it a stir around and just pour it on.
So we just got our wraps, lettuce, cheese.
And now we're just going to chuck the meat on, a bit of onion, and that's really about it, isn't it? Simple, you know, enough for camping. We couldn't really take too much over the border, and we couldn't really be bothered stopping on the way, so we stocked up. But I'm telling you, with this, the taco mix, secret ingredient, should be good. Let's serve up, eh? All wrapped up, looks good.
Bit chewy.
It's chewy. But the taco season I've never had before. Tastes good, it's a game changer, I'm telling you. It tastes good, it's real good. Alrighty, what a way to wrap up night 2 on the beach, Pinks Beach, just near Kingston, SA. Oh my God, we just saw about 2 dolphins. They were going that way, and they come back this way, jumping plane. I did get a few shots on the drone. They weren't great because it's getting lower light and still learning, but you know, I'll chuck them in now and you can have a look. But what a way to wrap up night 2, Kingston, South Australia.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer.
Alrighty, we are on our way to the next and best campsite, I guess. So go have a look, go down this limestone coast that everyone raves on about. Gonna go have a look. But the air pump to pump up the tyres has shit itself. It's got a nice electrical burn to it. So I'm risking it going about 40 k's down this 100k road, but let's do it. Only looks like there's 17 cars behind me, so we're good.
Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
We're on our way to Mount Gambier. We just left our campsite. It's pretty wet and cold, so don't know what we're gonna get up to today.
Yeah, I know there's a pretty cool sinkhole in Mount Gambier. Might go have a look at that. Don't even know where we're staying. Might be staying at a pub, a caravan park. Kind of going to wing it because the last night we stayed at the South End Tourist Park, just about 15 minutes out of Beachport there. And I reckon it was a bush camp. It wasn't really a caravan park, it was like a bush camp one. And oh, that was really cool. So don't know where we're going to end up tonight, but let's go for a drive. We just arrived at the Thurston Sinkhole in Mount Gambier. It's bloody cold and windy. Let's go have a look, but I'm telling you, it looks beautiful from up here.
We've just finished looking at the sinkhole. It was probably my favourite place so far.
Yeah, it was bloody cool down there. The botanical gardens, probably one of the better botanical gardens I've seen before. Pretty accessible, only a couple steps, but definitely worth the visit. So when you're in Mount Gambier, come on down and look at the sinkhole. Alrighty, we made it to the Big Blue Lake in Mount Gambier, and they do not lie when they say it's big.
And very blue.
Now let's go take a look.
It was definitely worth a visit, the Big Blue Lake. It was probably the most bluest lake I have ever seen, on the bluest water. Definitely head down.
Alright, I'm going to end tonight here, this awesome little free camp along the beach with a titty in the hand, fire going. But tomorrow we're going to be snorkeling and going exploring Mount Gambier to see what South Australia really has to offer. And we made it down to the little blue lake, South Australia, but it is raining, wet, cold. We're actually going to go hire some wetsuits, but can't leave him in the dog box for too long in the rain. So we get to look. Can't even put the drone up at the moment. Hopefully the rain passes, but have a look at this. What do you reckon of Little Blue Lake?
It's very nice, very cold though. Wish we could swim.
Oh, I know, right? It's bloody freezing.
Look at
this Teddy. Hates going on here. Does not like it at all. Don't blame him. Oh my god.
Good boy. Wait for me. This is kind of scary.
Don't fall.
Oh, it's moving. I don't like it, to be honest.
Excited to go snorkeling?
Yeah.
Down here at KIllsby Sinkhole. We're about to go for a good snorkel sesh. Nervy? The nerves are flying high.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
She's off. Look at this wild shark. It's big old. What do you reckon? It's bloody awesome. Really, I can see everything. Best thing to do it.
Hard to tackle. My body just wants to float.
Yeah. What do you reckon of the sinkhole?
I loved it. I was a bit nervous at the start because I'm not such a strong swimmer, but it was pretty good and the wetsuits made me float so good.
Yeah, it was bloody awesome in there. Like the water was the freshest water, you could literally drink from it.
Yeah.
The water, it was so clear, had like a turquoise colour throughout. KIllsby Sinkhole is definitely one to put on the bucket list. Oh my god, it was...
It's probably like one of my favourite places I've ever been to be honest.
Well, that's a big call.
It is a big call.
Better than Cairns?
It's different. It's different.
Nah, but it was bloody awesome there. Anyway, I think this is where we wrap up the trip. Our South Australia trip is coming to an end, but I had a ball. This was a great trip. Look, we had breakdowns, we had all this, but we overcome it. We saw some great destinations. Until next time,